Plenty of glass around there, and I've got a target here. I've already dug it out a bit, but you can see the hole there, but it's still pretty deep. Let's take a bit more of this sand out. It's all fairly hard sand down here, but I like the idea that it's deep. And this is where the snake buckle and the cricket buckle came from. Oh, look at that. I just felt something. Glass. So that's pretty good. And I've got to be a little bit careful digging. But glass that deep is always good. Nothing so far. No, it's still telling me that it's just here, down here. Oh, dusty. Let's see if we're getting any closer. Oh, there we go. How cool is that? That's getting down to the target. I'm liking this. A couple of reasons. Firstly, it's deep. Secondly, there's glass, old glass on top of it. That's nearly pointer deep already. There you go. I can feel something. That definitely felt buckle-like. Oh no, what's that? It's a buckle. There's the clasp. See that? Let's get a bit closer. There's the clasp there. Is it circular? Oh, awesome. You can see it there. Oh, there you go. See that move? Ha. Okay, what type is it? A cricket buckle? Oh, ha, 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 ha. Wow. It's a lion buckle. That is a ripper. Look at the gilt on it still. Oh, man. So, late 1800s. Wow. What a find. So stoked. Woohoo! Way out west. Wow. Pointer deep hole. Right down the bottom. A 15 to 17, occasionally chirping out at 20 or 30. A absolutely amazing gilt lion buckle. Now the lion's got a ring in its mouth, so I'm not too sure the purpose of that. Whether it's sort of meaning that the lion has been tamed, or there might have been a tassel hanging from the ring. But what an incredible find. That was sitting upside down, so that's the reason why that gilt is so well preserved after being in the ground there for over 100 years. Probably closer to 120 or 130 years. Wow. Gotta love digging up old buckles. Digging up anything old actually is fantastic. An incredible relic of the past. Well, with that, I think I might just wander home.